Hi, we are back.
Oh wow, so what are we doing today?
Today we're doing a rapid fire all about AB.
Oh wow, let's see who knows more.
Which property do you think was the hardest to open?
Kasol.
Rishikesh.
Kasol.
Kasol took 1 year, Rishikesh took like 5, 6, 7, I don't know, lost count.
Okay, fine.
Which property do you think was the easiest to open?
Manali
Delhi, because you already had it.
doesn't qualify. NA.
Okay.
Which is the best thing about Mussoorie property?
Terrace.
Dombits.
Which property's location is the best?
How to say Rishikesh?
Kasol.
Kasol. Okay.
What's your favorite property?
Delhi.
Mine majorly Himachal, so Manali and Kasol.
I think Jaipur also. Delhi, Jaipur.
Why is Art Bus called Art Bus?
Art Buzz is called Art Buzz. Very good question. We get asked this question so often.
A lot of times.
So art, because I love art and everything around me has to be artistic and beautiful.
So when we decided that our hostels will be artistic, at the same time we wanted to create some buzz around it, therefore Art Buzz.
What's the best thing about Art Bus Kasol?
River?
The location,
Yeah.
so it's the only riverside property in Kasol,
Yeah.
and that too too spacious.
Which property has the most unique amenities?
And Rishikesh or Dehradun.
I was going to say Dehradun because the co-working is also there in terms of
Yeah.
amenities.
Yeah,
But I think Kasol has a PlayStation, so that is fun.
but Rishikesh has a pool table and a foosball.
And a football. And of course in Manali we have bonfire. So they all have their own amenities.
Yeah,
Own special things.
Which Art Bus property is the busiest?
Jaipur,
Kasol. Both of them actually.
both of them.
If a person is traveling solo, what he or she can expect from Art Bus?
Chill vibe, meet some new friends,
Home away from home.
great food,
Great food.
simple comfort home food.
Which song describes Art Bus the best?
Yellow.
This is song Yaro Dosti.
Which property you would choose for your own solo trip?
Rishikesh,
Goa.
Which property would you choose for going with your friends?
Kasol.
I would like to show them around, so probably Uttarakhand, so then Dehradun, Mussoorie and Rishikesh.
If you'd get a chance to pick a brand ambassador, who will be the brand ambassador of Art Bus?
I've been watching this travel content for a while, and there are many influencers who's doing a fab job. But I think one of the content which I personally really like is Akansha Monga. I think she has done a fab job. I've seen her over the years growing immensely. So I would love to have her on board and take our brand to the next level.
और if you ask me, मुझे तो लग रहा है वो मूवी है ना, वो ये जवानी है दीवानी, तो उसके जो चारों कैरेक्टर्स हैं, they go to Manali for a trip. So I think like Bunny, Aditi, Naina, they're like fantastic
characters
to promote this whole culture and our brand.
Yeah.
What's your best memory with Art Bus?
When you, Amisha and I, we went to Mussoorie to do the puja for our first hostel.
For the first one.
Yeah, it was a very nice morning. Everything was very nice. The hostel came together. Best memory.
When we crossed the mark of 80 people team in our company.
Okay.
And we crossed 8 properties at the same time. It was the same level. So I think that was the best for me. And we went out, celebrated with the team.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was very nice.
What's your worst memory with Art Bus?
Oh, I have this. I think worst, I can't say worst, but yes, the most, the memory I can think of where I learned from, which was when Mussoorie, we had to fire all the people from Mussoorie, like all the staff.
And worst memory was last year when the floods happened in Himachal.
Exactly.
And then we woke up to the news that the property that we had selected had
has
drained
washed
out.
Has washed out. Yeah. That was really
that was very shocking. I hope you guys enjoyed this rapid fire as much as we did.
Yeah.
To know more, keep following us.